Right, we're almost at the end of 2024. Another year's gone by, but what if I told you that the last 30 days could make 2025 the greatest comeback of your life? Most people wait until January to start fresh, but if you want real change, we're not waiting for anyone, especially not for some magical January reset. The time to act is now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn December into your secret weapon for success. I'll show you 3 powerful mindset shifts to lay the groundwork for massive growth, 3 key strategies to supercharge your progress, and 3 practical actions you can take immediately to start the new year with unstoppable momentum. This isn't about waiting for January, it's about seizing the moment right now. Every great comeback starts with a shift in perspective. This next month is about laying the groundwork for a year where you don't just hope for change, you make it happen. Let's talk about 3 mindset shifts that will carry you through the year with focus and clarity. Mindset shift number 1. Embrace delusional self-belief. To make a massive change, you've got to believe in your vision almost irrationally. This kind of belief will push you to try things you'd usually hesitate over. No more self-doubt. Take this last month to build a relentless belief that you can achieve. Mindset shift number 2. Restless execution. Plan, yes, but don't get trapped in it. To get that comeback momentum going, you need action, not perfect plans. Small, decisive steps every day, especially this month, will set you apart from everyone waiting to feel ready. Mindset shift number 3. The power of singular focus. For this last month of the year, pick one thing that you will give 100% of your attention to, whether it's building a habit, finishing a project, or mastering a skill. That singular focus will be the difference between another wasted December and the start of something huge. Alright, so we've nailed the mindset. Now, let's talk about 3 key strategies that every successful comeback relies on. Master these and you'll enter 2025 already miles ahead. Strategy number 1. Skill building with purpose. December is the time to commit to learning something useful. Choose a high-value skill that aligns with where you want to be in 2025. Maybe it's a technical skill, maybe it's communication or leadership. But whatever you choose, dedicate the next 30 days to making it a real asset. Strategy number 2. Prioritize health and energy. High energy is the fuel for real progress. Think workouts, balanced meals, and just 10 minutes a day of a good reflective walk. This month, be disciplined about your health. Start with manageable changes like more protein, cutting out snacks, or just a daily workout. You'll see your energy skyrocket, making you ready for the intense focus needed in January. Strategy number 3. Daily writing for mental clarity. This one's a game changer. Write daily, just 10 minutes a day, to put your goals, frustrations, or ideas on paper. This simple habit brings clarity, helps you work through challenges, and keeps you accountable. December's the perfect time to start this practice, so by January, your vision is sharp and ready for action. While the festive season is full of distractions from shopping sprees to social gatherings, these don't have to sideline your progress. Instead of being swept up in the rush, see these as opportunities to go against the grain. When others are caught up in queues or social obligations, you can carve out dedicated time to focus on what truly matters to you, turning potential distractions into moments of purposeful growth. For instance, while most people are out shopping, consider using that quieter time to put the 3 core strategies from this section into practice, honing your planning skills, managing energy levels, and defining specific, actionable goals. Rather than letting every social invitation disrupt your routine, choose engagements that add real value and meaning. With this balanced approach, you can stay on track with your growth targets and fully engage with the parts of the season that enrich your life. With that mindset and these strategies, it's time to act. Here are 3 practical steps to finish 2024 on a high and set yourself up for a 2025 that's truly remarkable. Action number 1. Break down your big 2025 goal. Think about where you want to be by the end of next year and break it into actionable steps. Start this month by tackling the first smallest step. This builds immediate progress, and when January hits, you're not starting from scratch. Action number 2. Find an accountability partner. Having someone you check in with weekly can keep you on track, especially through December when most people are winding down. Tell them your goals, make a plan together, and hold each other accountable. This could be the edge that keeps you committed. Action number 3. Reflect and set non-negotiables for January. Reflect on this year, what worked, what didn't, and what you want to change. Then set 3 non-negotiable habits or goals to start January strong. Don't wait for New Year's resolutions that fail by February. Start solidifying your changes in December. December is going to be your foundation month. 2025 is waiting, but the real journey begins now. Don't let another December pass you by without taking steps towards your ideal life. Start these practices today and watch how the comeback begins. And if you want extra support with your goals, don't forget I offer a free 20-minute video chat to see if we're a good fit to work together to get you where you want to be. Or sign up for my Own the Day email reminders to help you stay consistent with these small steps. Here's to a 2025 you'll remember as your greatest comeback.